Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to disable vibration for audio player notifications on Google Drive. If you use Google Drive to play media files, you've probably noticed that the notification for the audio player sometimes vibrates, which can get distracting. Thankfully, turning this setting off only takes a few quick steps. Let's dive in. First, start by opening up the Settings app on your phone. This is where we'll be managing all of the notification options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. This section will list all of the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through your apps list and select Google Drive. This is the app we're focusing on, and here you'll find everything related to its notifications and permissions. Once you tap on Google Drive, choose the Notifications option. This will bring up all of the different kinds of alerts Google Drive is allowed to send to your phone. Instead of turning everything off, which might not be convenient, we're going to go one level deeper. Tap on Notification Categories. Here, Google Drive organizes the types of notifications into sections. For this adjustment, look under the Other category and locate the option labeled Audio Player. This is specifically tied to any playback notifications that appear when you listen to audio stored in Google Drive. Now, tap on Audio Player and take a look at the options available. You'll see a toggle for vibration. Simply switch off the Vibrate option, and that's it. From now on, when you play audio files from Google Drive, you'll still see the notification controls at the top of your screen. But your phone will remain silent. No more buzzing or unnecessary vibrations every time an audio notification pops up. This small adjustment makes a big difference if you prefer a quieter, smoother experience, while still keeping all your Google Drive functionality intact. So, if you've been annoyed by those vibrations, try out these steps and enjoy a more streamlined use of Google Drive audio playback notifications. And that's all you need to know to disable Vibrate for audio player notifications on Google Drive.